Hello everyone and welcome to the fall semester of 2017. I'm your instructor, Justin Mott, and I wanted to offer this little video, introductory video, just to give you a quick idea of who I am and what I would like you to do over the course of this week and into next week, which is when the class actually starts on August 14th. This is going up a week prior just to get you acclimated and get you ready to go. Couple things, really one thing that I want you to do as far as an assignment between now and Wednesday, August 16th, is a check-in assignment. And that is here on Canvas. And it's really just a quick thing to let everybody, including me, know who you are and what you're hoping to get out of the course. And you'll be completing that assignment in order to make sure that you're not dropped from the class, to make sure that you're actually signed in and ready to participate. If that is not done by Wednesday at midnight, Wednesday, August 16th at midnight, then you will be dropped from the course because you're not active in the course, you're not participating. That's kind of the same way that classes, when you're actually in class, work. If you don't show up for the first few classes, then you get dropped. This is a similar thing. So that is here in Canvas ready for you. And I'd also like you to take a look at the syllabus and the schedule just to get an idea of what the course looks like, what you can expect, things like that. There's a decent amount of work, as is to be expected in an English class, but I try to spread it out so that it's not too much all at once. And there's going to be reading and there's going to be writing. There are going to be discussions, things like that. Luckily, because I'm a sweetheart, I'm making week one relatively simple. It's more of an introduction into the course. There won't be anything due at the end of week one. There is, of course, the check-in assignment that's due sometime between now and Wednesday for the first part, and there's a second part that's due Friday that again you'll see. But it's going to be a relatively easy week. That's just me providing you with some material that'll help you be successful over the course of the semester. All of the information about what types of assignments there are and how much of your grade they'll be worth is on the syllabus, which again is available here in Canvas. But speaking of grades, there is one thing that I want to ask of you, and that is to change your focus a little bit for this class from what it probably usually is. Usually your first and foremost concern is your grade, and that's fine. I was a student once too. I understand that grades are important. However, if you focus solely on your grade, you're missing out on what the class really has to offer. Yeah, you're probably going to be getting something out of the class, hopefully a lot out of the class, if you were to focus simply on getting the grade that you want to get. But if you switch that view a little bit and you focus more on my instructor is providing this assignment for a specific reason. It's to help me grow, or to give me a skill, or to allow me to practice something that needs to be practiced, or something along those lines. Everything I offer you is for a purpose, and it's to help you grow and to help you succeed in this class and beyond. And if you focus on that and focus on taking what I assign seriously and doing it to the best of your ability, if I give you a paper to write, focus on, I want to write this paper to the best of my ability, rather than I want to write this paper at a quality that gives me an A or a B or a C. If you have if you focus on doing the best you can and getting as much out of the assignments as you can, then I promise that you'll get at least the grade that you would have hoped for, if not better. When you focus on a particular grade, you're limiting yourself. You're allowing yourself some leeway, and it might be easier that way, but you're not getting as much out of the class. So if you could just switch that point of view for me, not focus so much on grades. You will receive grades, but don't focus on I need to do this to get an A or a B or a C or whatever it is you're looking for. Focus on, I'm going to nail this assignment, and I'm going to listen to what my instructor is telling me I will get out of this assignment, and I'm going to try to get as much of that as I can. Please, if you could do that. So again, check out the syllabus, check out the schedule, do the check-in assignment at some point between now and Wednesday, August 16th by midnight. And I'll be posting a video like this every week just to talk a little bit about what's going on that week. And I will also be holding Facebook Live sessions. If you're not familiar with Facebook Live, please feel free to ask me. But if you have a Facebook account, or if you're comfortable making one just for this class, you can make it as private as you want so that you only use it for this class. Whatever is your prerogative. But I'll be doing Facebook Live chats so that we'll have opportunities at least once a week, if not twice a week, to communicate this way. I can speak to you, you can see my voice, or see me and hear my voice, and you can type in whatever questions you have. I'm also making myself available on Google Hangouts or on Skype. So you will have, in addition to email and the interactions we have through the course itself in Canvas, you'll also have other opportunities outside of that to communicate with me and make sure that if you have any questions or comments or concerns, those can be addressed. So I look forward to working with you all this semester, and I will talk to you all soon.